Top 5 beginner mistakes in crypto and how to avoid them. Welcome to today's video. Are you new to the world of cryptocurrency? Starting your crypto journey can be exciting, but it's also easy to make mistakes that could cost you money or confidence. In this video, we'll go over the top 5 mistakes beginners make in crypto investing and, most importantly, how to avoid them. By learning these tips, you'll set yourself up for a safer and smarter crypto experience. Jumping in without research. Many beginners rush into buying a trending coin without understanding what it does. We'll show you how to research projects, evaluate their real-world utility, and avoid falling for hype. Crypto is volatile, and risk management is critical. Learn how to use position sizing, set stop losses, and invest only what you can afford to lose to protect your capital. Falling for scams and fake promises. From phishing links to fake, get-rich-quick schemes, scams are everywhere. We'll teach you how to identify red flags and keep your funds safe. Ignoring security basics. Neglecting wallet security or using unsecured platforms is a common mistake. We'll guide you on choosing the right wallet, enabling two-factor authentication, and avoiding hacks. Fear of missing out, FOMO, and panic selling can lead to poor decisions. We'll discuss how to maintain a disciplined mindset and stick to your strategy, no matter what the market does. Want to start your crypto journey safely and avoid beginner mistakes? The first step is choosing a trusted platform for trading and investing. Use the link in the description or pinned comment to open an account with one of the most reliable and beginner-friendly brokers today. A good broker offers strong security, competitive fees, and all the tools you need to succeed in the crypto market. If you found these tips helpful and want to support the channel, checkmark like this video to let us know you enjoyed it. Checkmark subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides, crypto strategies, and market updates. Checkmark share this video with other beginners to help them avoid costly mistakes. Have a question or need advice on your crypto journey? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you and help you succeed. Let's build a supportive community of informed crypto investors together. Don't wait. Start your crypto journey today with confidence. Open your account using the link below and trade on a secure, trusted platform. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart, stay safe, and invest wisely.
Here we go! I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.